Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Halloween manicure and it is vampire themed. I was inspired recently by some manicures I saw on Instagram and the blood drip nails that I did in my nail art video. So I was like, you know what? I want to do some stuff. So I have 2 layers of you+I peel base on my nails already. I have a video on how I use this over builder gel coming soon. But I want to talk also about the inspiration for this mani. So this color, I Want It All 19, is from Sparkle & Co.'s recent sub bag. It's called Love at First Bite. And if that doesn't like tell you that it should be a vampire manicure, I don't know what does. So I was really excited to do this manicure. And I think it has to be like one of my favorite ones that I've done this season for Halloween. I'm really excited about it. Anyways, I really loved this dip powder. I am in love with it. I'm just going to say I'm in love 10 times over and over again. So I also noticed that this dip powder does not stain. It is a black base and it does not stain my skin. Like, what? In what freaking world? That like never happens. Actually, I take that back. I recently used a Kimber's Creations black dip powder and it doesn't stain either. Like, what are these companies putting into their black dip powder? It's like magic. What? Anyways, it is like a very dense powder, so you might have to double dip so that it soaks up all of the base bond and everything. But that's just about it, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna babble for most of this video. So if you don't want to hear me talk, just turn the volume down. So I just have to do the I Want It All 19 on this index finger and then I'll be done with this dip powder. I only did 2 dips of I Want It All 19. I really felt like I could have basically got away with 1, but I wanted 100% full coverage and like I had a couple bald spots on the first dip, so a second dip was truly necessary. And if you know me, you know I use builder gel under my dip. But if you are just a purely dip powder user, just do 2 dips of this and clear coat it if you want to. I didn't clear coat it. I didn't feel the need, but it did end up kind of like a little bit lumpy, so a clear coat would have helped it be like really smooth. I don't know. It's optional basically. I've also really been loving wearing gloves on the hand that I'm not working on. It just really helps because, like, as you can tell, I'm like patting down the dip powder to keep it smooth and everything. It just frames my hand from getting like completely dirty, from getting base bond all over it, from getting dip powder all over it. Who knows, gel liquids if I'm using gel, which I am pretty soon. Yeah, so I'm actually going to put gel base on the other 2 nails because I'm putting gel polishes on them. I'm using all Sparkle & Co. products here today in terms of the colors, so the dips and the gels. But for gel base, I have to use Nail Addict LA. I don't know if I'm allergic to Sparkle & Co.'s gel base, but I just didn't even want to go there. I didn't even want to try it. Like, this manicure was not going to be the day I decided to experiment with another gel base. So this is Sparkle & Co.'s black gel polish. It is super opaque. I really think 1 coat would have done it for full coverage, but I just did 2 just to be on the safe side, you know. And this next color, oh my gosh. If you watched my Halloween Sparkle Sub Bag unboxing video, you know I oogled and drooled over Vampiress, which is this gel polish that I'm putting on right now. And I Want It All 19 Love at First Bite. Like, those 2 just stood out to me. And my gosh, they are a match made in heaven. Like, perfectly go well together. I mean, I am tooting my own horn right now. I really love this manicure. Like, you know those days you're just so proud of how your manicure turned out? Today was that day. And I had to. I loved it. just give it to me, please. Just let me enjoy myself. I'm being a little dramatic, but I really, really loved it. Vampiress, I love red polishes, red dips. I just think it's a very sultry, sexy, and powerful and empowering color. And then black colors as well. I think those are just like so bold, and like you just got to be confident to wear it. I don't know. I love it. I'm going to shut up now, guys. Nail art time. So you didn't think that I was gonna like do a Halloween manicure without some like stamping on it, did you? So I have this stamping plate from Maniology, and I never thought I would use it, to be honest. I just really liked it because it was spooky and Halloween themed, so I was like, why not? But there's spider webs on it that I didn't notice until today when I picked up the plate. So I'm gonna use those spider webs over the red gel polish Vampiress, and I'm just gonna like stamp it in the corner of my nail. I don't know. I probably should have done bats because like vampires and bats go together. I don't know what a spider web had to do with it, but I just really wanted it to be out of the way but still have like a little touch of something spooky on the red. And then the other one I'm using is the like lips and teeth right here, like the little vampire teeth, all that shebang. I'm going to reverse stamp, so if you don't know what reverse stamping is, it's like coloring in a coloring book, literally. You stamp the design and you just sit here and fill in the lines with stamping polish, and then you let it dry, and then you put it on your nail. It's really simple, it's just time consuming. Again, to stress this enough because I've made this mistake so many times. Please let your polish dry. Like if you're doing reverse stamping, just let it completely dry, because I've done it in the past where I like stamped it right onto my nail, didn't let it dry, and when I went and did my top coat and all that stuff, it crinkled. So here it just shows that I let it dry. I just like didn't make you wait for 10 minutes. So I'm just going to stamp it over the gel polish. So the gel polish is already tacky, so I don't have to worry about putting down a sticky base coat. It transferred beautifully. I love it. And just an update, after putting gel polish top coat over the design, there was no wrinkling, it didn't bubble, it was perfect. Like, I couldn't have been happier with this manicure. So I'm just going to sit here and dip top coat my dip nails and gel top coat my gel nails, and I will see you guys at the end. Guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm just so happy with it. Like, this is so vampy and spooky and just, I'm in love. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out. I really hope that you enjoyed watching me do this manicure, the mix of the dip, the gel, the stamping, the whole shebang. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much, and it lets me know if you like these style of videos. So always like the ones you like the most. It lets me know what you like. All right, have a wonderful and safe Halloween. I will see you guys in November.